Hi everyone, it's Rina aka Dead Sacred, and in this video I will be unboxing some One Piece figures. I'm like super excited, so pleased. Should I show you the box? Do you want to see? Oh yeah, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. So this is the Sabo One Piece magazine figure. Look how good it looks. This is just a box obviously, but like if the box figure looks so good, that means the whole thing's gonna look great, right? And we have Ace. Look how good that looks. I love it. I love how like cute he looks while he's eating the onigiri. So cute. Oh my gosh. So the figures are based on this piece of artwork. So when my sister showed this to me, I was like, oh shit. You need to get it now. Order it now. I mentioned before that my sister is a huge One Piece fan. She really loves One Piece, specifically Ace. She managed to get these figures on Yahoo Auctions, and can you believe that this one, let me show you, the Ace figure was 800 yen, which roughly translates to £5. £5! That's a portion of chips. Oh my god. The Sabo figure is 500 yen, which translates to £3 in pounds sterling. Isn't that crazy? I don't know how she did it. Obviously it's an auction in it, but like that's a crazy amount of money to spend on such good figures. Like I'll show you later, but I'm so pleased at like how they look. She's so kind as well. I'm so happy that she like let me open the Sabo one on camera. Obviously she opened the Ace one because she's like Ace, but like yeah, I'm so grateful to her for letting me open this on camera because I know it's hers, and like that was kind of her. So curiosity got the better of me, and I can confirm that he's wearing you know, there's like Japanese pants here that are just like cloth, and it's like, yeah, so him and Sabo are wearing those. I didn't think it was appropriate to like show it on camera because it's just a bit but yeah, these figures are so detailed. I really like them. Yeah, guys, I want to thank you so much for sticking around and watching my video. It means a lot to me, it really does, that you spent like time to watch my little video. Thank you. See you next time.